What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to completely disable or remove the themes and plugins editor windows from WordPress, okay? So basically imagine that the following scenario, okay? You made a site for a client of yours, and this client have access to the WordPress dashboard, of course, to create posts, to update some pages often, okay? But the client and anyone with admin access besides you can go to Appearance, Theme File Editors, and completely change the PHP of the site without the proper knowledge base for it. And the same happens for plugins, okay? You can edit the plugins files, okay? How to fix this, how to remove this is what you're gonna learn in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet and site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, after going to your WordPress dashboard, is navigate for the left sidebar menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on Add New Plugin, okay? Into this option, review the upper right corner of a screen. Next to keyword, there is a field called Search Plugins. Click on it and type WPCode. The plugin that we are looking for is this guy right here, WPCode. Insert headers and footers plus custom code snippets. Click on Install. After clicking to the Activate button, this is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where we can see all of the present plugins on your site. Nothing to worry right here, okay? But go to you're gonna be able to see into the left sidebar menus, next to the settings, a new menu called Code Snippets. Hover mouse over it and click on Add New Snippet. Right here, we're gonna scroll down. Review the middle sidebar and click on All Snippets. And let's search for the guy that we're looking for. We can do a lot of things with this plugin. It's a very useful one, okay? And here is the guy that we're looking for. Connect to library to unlock. It's free, okay? So we're gonna click into this button. This is gonna opens an option for us to create an account on their website. It's free, so nothing to worry. All we have to do is enter your login. In the case that you already have an account, you can just log in. Creating your account or logging in, you're gonna be able to see this option. We're gonna click into this green button to connect to WordPress. And we are good to go. Just wait while they reload the page. Go back to all. We can search right here to disable plugin and theme editor, and now we're gonna click into use snippet. Here is the code. Nothing much, right? But all we have to do now to disable the editors is change this little switcher right here into the upper right corner of my screen next to the update button from inactive to active. Now click to activate, and as you can see, no more theme file editor or plugin file editor is present on the site. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Anzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a place, a CSS gallery where you can promote your app, your game, your website, your landing page. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. in addition to premium icons, assets, blocks, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the side of our dreams. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.